Hi, my name is, she mentioned her name. I'm 16 years old. I'm going through a lot of pain, depression, stress, sadness. I truly need your help. Please help me. I've been in a haram relationship. I fell in love very hard. He dumped and left me. But I still love him. I cry every night knowing nothing will work out. I pray that I want to have a relationship with Allah. I want to be better. But Shaitan is not letting me. Something always happens when I try to be good. I watch your videos most of my time. I truly need your help. Help me to make dua for me. I'm still young. And then there's another from a brother. I want you guys to count how many times it says, please help me. Please count that. Assalamu alaikum Shaykh, how are you? I hope you are well. So I was in a haram relationship and today she ended it. She dumped it. I am completely devastated. I can't do it anymore. My heart hurts so much. Please help me. What can I do to make myself feel better and get over it, Shaykh? Please help me. But alhamdulillah, it has come to an end, so I'm out there again. But still, I can't get away from her. I can't stop thinking about her. If you know what I need to know about it, please help me. Shaykh, please help me. I don't want to come back into a haram relationship. If you have any tips, please help me and tell me. I don't want to repeat this sin again. Shaykh, please help me. How many times that? These are the kind of messages that we receive on a regular basis. When Allah told